The boys are rolling in. The NSX. Sheesh. What's up, everyone? We're starting off today a little bit different. Before we start today's video, though, I'd like to thank each and every one of you who watches and supports the channel. Even if you've never watched a video before, I appreciate you watching this video now. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. We make new videos every Tuesday, trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. It's been a long time goal. I really appreciate everybody who helps make that happen. Well, I see all the boys across the street. It looks like I gotta go across the street. I'm just gonna break the ice. We're out in Palm Springs today because we're in a movie. Yeah, we're gonna do a little shoot right now and then head down to the shoot location. This is absolutely wild and I'm super thankful for this opportunity, and this would not have happened without all of you at home watching. Thank you. And we're out here. Look, we have a pretty crazy lineup. We have Mike's FRS. This is the Karma FRS. The homies, the twin. We have the Stang, Jay's car. I love this NSX. Oh my god. What's up, bro? Your background is amazing. Do I look good? You look like a freaking god. He said I look like a god. What's up? How's this thing?
Dirty.
It's So the goal right now is we're trying to get out somewhere close to windmills so we can get a little shoot before we're supposed to go. We'll switch to the shoot in 3, 2, 1. I'm saying f it, and I'm driving in the dirt too.
Full time.
Yeah.
There's a big old rock.
There's a big old rock.
I'll
jump it. Yeah. He's gonna tell us something. Oh no.
Or not.
Have a good day. The guy was smiling. He was like, hey. Hey, who said you needed Tacoma to go off-roading? Look how low this thing freaking looks inside the dirt. You're good. We're at an undisclosed location. What are you shooting?
Procedures. We gotta follow just cinematic shots, bro. You know.
Yeah. You know.
If you know.
Want to put on your social media handles?
Oh, it's Okami Media. OKAMII and then media.
Go.
Who's this?
Mike.
Oh. What's up?
Checked in, ready to roll. I'm excited. Maybe I'm making a bigger deal than I should, but this is pretty freaking cool. I'm excited. Got the flame Vans on. Vans, if you're watching this, sponsor me. I have no idea who these people are, but it's a fucking bro with Supras. I don't know if I'm allowed to be filming right now, but I'm gonna. I keep saying that, I'm excited, but I've never been an extra in a movie, and I would always said that I would love to be an extra in a movie. So now that I'm doing it, it's awesome. And again, huge shout out to Mike, huge shout out to everybody who watches these videos. I would never get the opportunities that I have today without building what I have on this channel, so thank you guys. So we just met the director. His name is Shane, and yeah, I think we're gonna get to shoot pretty soon.
Okay, my jacket.
Like, it's windy as all hell, and my eyes are getting wrecked from the sand, dude. Super gang or die for sure. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another one, and there's another super down there. Action.
Natalia's here on screen.
And this one we can move next.
I don't have any friends. I don't know where my family's at.
The carbon fiber rear window louver for freaking MR2. This is saucy. I like that. Dude, look at all these. There's one more Supra, two more Supra, three more Supra, four more Supra. When have you seen more Supras in one spot? Ever.
At a dealership.
At a dealership. We're headed to the most important part of the set.
Snacks.
The snacks. Actually, I'm already looking at a snack.
We got snacks, gummy bears. Look at We are gonna start racing now, apparently.
Get damn, baby. Wait, are we real racing or fake racing?
I don't know.
We're TV racing, right? Like whatever that means for movies.
They are literally lining up Model A's versus Supras. What kind of racing movie are we in? Like you guys saw earlier, I told you there's like 14 Supras here. If you could take a quick,
All 14 of them were there.
A quick guess at who's drag racing.
You better get the shot. You better get it.
You get it, bro?
Oh wait.
Oh shit,
Wrong one.
You have a little explaining to do, I'm sorry. It's a bunch of fake hype. It's so funny.
Oh yeah!
All right. So, what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want Mike and Jarrell to line up with the gentlemen
Mike's car is gonna fall apart.
Just to let you know, Drill's car's got 600 horsepower and Mike's has got
180.
180 at best.
210.
While we're focusing on one thing.
Why you gotta do them like that?
You missed it.
Hold on, he's got the director.
Mike's like, give me 20 seconds to start.
They haven't said nothing because of your camera? Well, that's pretty subtle.
They haven't said shit to me. I've been yelling at this thing.
Subtle though.
We're on set with the set.
Should we all start chanting Mike?
Mike!
I got
That was a good one.
They can't even see that far, so I'm gonna keep my finger on where Mike is.
Oh yeah. Fastest one.
Oh man, that's such a good race. Okay, so we're looking at the best race that we're gonna see all day. We have a chick in the middle. Dude, and she's wearing all black leather pants.
Got heels on. They're like shiny.
I thought she was gonna like throw her bra or something. Isn't that how it works?
That's typically how it works.
Right.
Or a thong.
She came ready. Do you think she's the only one getting paid out of all this?
She'd be paid good. We got gummy bears and water. I cannot see anything.
Dude, my eyes are wrecked from all the sand that was blowing earlier. It's still a little windy.
Ready? Set up.
Yeah! Let's go, Mike!
Let's go. She's getting paid more than all of them.
She really taking it off, bro.
Yeah.
She dead ass took her bra off.
Did she take it off? Oh, she took it off.
Hey, it's cold. It's a little nippy out there. It's a little nippy.
No, for a damn fact now, for sure. Like, she paid.
I almost fainted a little bit.
Yeah.
I was yelling too hard.
Don't forget, some people are disappointed that someone lost. So don't forget, you can always choose something else.
Damn, Mike!
Keep going.
Really don't know how much you guys really want to watch me yelling and jumping and watch this chick throw her bra at them, so we'll cut to the next scene. So it's currently midnight. I have a 2-hour drive back home. My voice is gone and I'm starving. All they gave us was one slice of pizza. We went much later than they said that we were gonna. It was a cool experience, but by the end of the night, I was freezing, I was starving, and I was ready to go home. I'm not complaining. It was a fun experience. I was very thankful to have had this experience. Huge shout out to Mike and everybody at Arc Movement and all the homies who came out. You guys made it super fun. Thank you guys so much